What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell a family member, because we're litty over here. Without further ado, once again, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. So y'all, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Lately, I've been doing good with not purchasing any perfumes or colognes, because y'all know me, I like to wear either male, female, or unisex perfumes or colognes. And y'all, Walgreens got me. I've been having my eye on this specific cologne for a minute now. Every time I would try to go buy it, sold out. Definitely, you know, I know a lot of people shop with Dossier or Sephora or Ulta for their perfumes. Definitely check out, like, sometimes CVS, they're like my second go-to, but my number one go-to is definitely Walgreens online. Because you can either check if they have it in stores or order it offline, and y'all, they be having some crazy deals. Sometimes you can also use or find like different type of coupon codes. Definitely a win. So y'all, we got this right here, and yeah, I had to purchase this, and the price wasn't too steep at all, especially for the size of the cologne. And I told myself, when I'm going to get perfumes, I'm definitely going to try to get like maybe 1 point fluid ounces and nothing bigger, because it's just like I have so many perfumes, so getting a full 3.5 fluid ounce or 3.4 fluid ounce, like, it's just kind of pointless, because I have so many full size perfumes and colognes, so I don't want to be greedy. So y'all, dun, 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 dun. This is the Versace Man, and this is in, see, I can't pronounce this. This is in the All Freshy. It's in the All Day Toilette. It's Versace Men. And let's go ahead and open it. And this is in the 3.4 fluid ounces, and I want to say this was only like 40 bucks, 40 or 50 bucks. Not bad for a 3.4 fluid ounce. And I definitely liked it because of its packaging. Y'all, I'm a sucker for packaging. I really am. Because I thought it was just so pretty, beautiful. Y'all, look at this. It's so cute. So y'all know we read notes over here. So let's look on my handy dandy phone. So yes, this is Versace Cologne for Men. It's a clean, fresh scent that lasts throughout the day without overwhelming those around you. It has notes of saffron, tobacco, cashmere wood, amber, and pepper. And I want to say this was introduced in 2003, so it's kind of an oldie but goodie. Definitely taking you back in the 99s, early 2000s. And it says it's a masculine scent. That doesn't bother me. I like wearing masculine scents. I want to say my go-to masculine scents right now is Coach for Men, and it's this other one. It's a robot. Like, it literally is a robot. And I want to say it's by whoever is the guy that makes what is it, $1 Million Woman, or it's like a little gold bar or something like that. Yes, but let's try to see what this smells like. I don't really smell it, so I'm gonna spray it in the box. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. Y'all know what this reminds me of? This? Wait, before I speak, let me just let it dry down just a little bit. Because this reminds me a lot of the, Dolce and Gabbana Light Blue for Women. Yep. This is kind of like a dupe for that. I don't know if they have the same notes, or probably similar, but if you have Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana, whether it's the woman or the men one, because they both smell the same to me, kind of, sort of, it smells kind of similar. And this is the Versace, mind you, that is Dolce & Gabbana. I'm definitely liking this, because I think I gave away my Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Men to someone, I forgot who, and then I know I gave my Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Women to my mom, and she just, y'all, Mama Rare don't know how to, you know, hold on to a fragrance. My mama drinks the fragrance, not literally, but When I tell you my mama, that's one thing she goes through. Like, she's going to use the fragrance. Me, I just be little here. You know, sometimes I wear fragrance to bed. But my mama, when I give her any type of perfume or fragrance, she is going to wear it. I even filled up her some of them little atomizers. Y'all, she used them all within a month. And I want to say there were 15 of them. How did she do it? I don't know. But y'all, this is definitely good, like, for the price. I'm going to link this down below. Hopefully they still have it, because usually it's sold out. And they even have like the gift set that has like a smaller size. I want to say probably like a 1.7 fluid ounce with, like, I think a lotion and a body wash or something like that. Always sold out, and I think that's like $40 something. But y'all, you can't beat this. This is, once again, what did I say, 3.4 for $50, and it's Versace, and it smells good. It's definitely a good bang for your buck. Check it out if you're definitely into like masculines but not overpowering smells, because I definitely like this, y'all. This is going in my purse. This is going in my purse. Not my purse, but my purse. This is going in my purse, because I'll definitely carry me a good old perfume in my purse when I need to freshen up. So I had to share this gem with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.